Good afternoon, everybody. Myself, Dr. Shama Hussain. So today I have come for a diagnosis, making you to diagnose yourself, to diagnose how much faith you have on yourself, how much you trust yourself, how much confidence do you have on you. You know, there was a poor village. It was suffering from rains, no rains, lots of famines, and lots of problems were there. One day the villagers decided that let's have a prayer, congregational prayer. So everybody decided to come together and pray. So it was assigned for the next day. Everybody started joining, and surprisingly, one man has come up with an umbrella. Each and every villager started staring at him and can't stop. So finally they asked him, why did you bring umbrella right now? Still, it didn't rain. We have to pray still. We have to pray and then we can expect the rain. You know what that man said? He said, after prayer, for sure it will rain, right? We are praying, right? So it has to rain, right? He was so confident. He was so confident that his prayer will bring the rain. His means everybody's prayer definitely will bring the rain. Can you relate yourself to that man? Can you? Let's check. How many of you can relate? Whatever we do, whatever the task we do, we always suspect. We crack so many hard nuts. We cross so many impediments. We reach to such a destination, but still we have a doubt that can I crack this? Can I do something? Can my efforts will be fruitful? Can I get it success? Right or no? Faith is important. Success is important. Change in you. Develop that. Ignite. Ignite yourself with the faith, with the confidence, a trust in you that you can do. Whatever you are studying, yes, I will get to tomorrow best marks. Yes, I will get. Tomorrow in the interview, I will do the best. Have you seen this box? This box. Everybody will go on telling you, like for example, I have this. I want this to go inside. I want this to go inside. It will not go until and unless this barrier is opened. Until and unless this barrier is opened. So I can put it easily now. I can put it easily. So in the same way, until and unless you remove that barrier of your mind where you just compare yourself with chapter 20 of somebody's with the chapter 1 of yours, you cannot do anything. You cannot. You will lose your confidence. First, develop faith in yourself. Develop faith. Develop that confidence. Change yourself. We can change anything. We can fight with anybody from outside. But if we are not changed, if we are not transformed within ourselves, then we cannot do anything, my dear friends. You want drastic change, drastic transformation, and great success in your life? Change. Bring the change within you. Bring the trust about yourself. Bring that faith about yourself and see miracles will happen. Love yourself and see miracles will happen one day, definitely. So be happy always. Have faith in yourself. Happiness comes when you stop living in past. Past is past. Past is past. Don't think about it. Past is gone. So don't compare. Don't observe others. Don't observe. Don't read their chapters. Start reading your chapter. Develop confidence. Develop faith. remove that barrier. Remove that barrier. Whether you go for interview, whether you go for exam, or whether you are taking any hard nut, any cracking, anything that you need to crack, trust yourself. You are going to do that. You will do that. Done? So promise me that you will do, and you will remove that barrier within inside you, and you will have a faith. You will bring that umbrella, definitely. Take care, and complete transformation is required. Love yourself. Bye-bye.